Hello, summer gardeners. Are you looking at your garden in July and thinking, is it too late to plant anything new? Maybe your spring herbs are starting to look a little tired, or you're just itching to get more delicious fresh flavors growing. Well, I've got fantastic news for you. July might be the heart of summer across the US, but it's not too late to get some incredible herbs thriving in your garden. In fact, for some, it's the perfect time. Before we dig into our list, if you love getting exclusive perks, consider becoming a Herbal Keys channel member. Your support helps us grow this amazing community and bring you even more herbal wisdom. Just hit that join button below. Okay, get ready for the top 5 herbs that absolutely love being planted in July across most US hardiness zones, ensuring you'll have fresh flavors well into fall. Let's lay down some essential groundwork first. Planting in July means dealing with summer heat, so a few basic tips will make all the difference. This is non-negotiable. Young herbs and seedlings are thirsty. Water deeply in the early morning to allow the soil to soak it up before the midday sun evaporates everything. Check the soil daily. If the top inch or two feels dry, it's time for a drink. While most herbs love sun, brand new transplants or sprouting seeds can get scorched. If you're having a particularly brutal heat wave, consider providing some temporary afternoon shade, either by placing them under a larger plant or using a light shade cloth. A 1 to 2 inch layer of organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or dried leaves around the base of your plants will be a game changer. It helps retain moisture, keeps soil temperatures cooler, and even suppresses weeds. Just keep it a few inches away from the stem. Herbs need good drainage. Whether you're planting in pots or in the ground, ensure your soil is well draining. For containers, a good quality potting mix is essential. Got it? Excellent. Let's meet our July all-star herbs. First up, it's the undisputed king of summer flavor, basil. Basil absolutely adores warm weather, making July the perfect time to get new plants going. It's a fast grower, so you'll be harvesting fragrant leaves in no time. Think about it, your spring-planted basil might be getting leggy or starting to flower, so July is ideal for a fresh succession planting. You can start basil from seed directly in the garden or grab some young plants from your local nursery for a head start. To keep your July-planted basil happy, consistent moisture is key, and give it plenty of sun. The more you harvest, the bushier it gets, delaying bolting. For example, regularly pinch off the top sets of leaves to encourage side shoots. And for its uses, fresh pesto is an obvious choice, but imagine that vibrant flavor chopped into a fresh pasta primavera or in a caprese salad with ripe summer tomatoes. It truly sings of summer. Next on our list, a herb that's almost too easy to grow, mint. Mint is incredibly resilient and thrives in warm, moist conditions. It's almost guaranteed to survive being planted in July because it's so vigorous. It spreads quickly, so if you're planting in the ground, be warned, it will take over. Many gardeners opt to plant mint in containers to keep its enthusiastic growth in check. You'll see new growth almost immediately. Mint is quite adaptable. It can handle full sun, but also tolerates some partial shade. If you're planting in a pot, choose a large one to give it room, or even consider burying a bottomless pot in the ground. Keep the soil consistently moist and harvest frequently to encourage new growth. And what can you do with it? From a classic mojito, a sweet iced tea, or a simple glass of cucumber water, to adding a refreshing kick to fruit salads and delicious lamb dishes, mint is a summer superstar. Coming in at number 3, it's the aromatic backbone of so many cuisines, oregano. Oregano is another sun-loving, heat-tolerant herb that practically begs to be planted in July. It thrives in warm, dry conditions once established, which is perfect for midsummer. It's relatively low maintenance and will reward you with a bounty of fragrant leaves. Plus, it's a perennial in many zones, so you might get to enjoy it for years to come. Oregano prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It doesn't like to be overwatered once established, so let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. For example, if you're starting from a small plant, give it plenty of room to spread out as it matures. Culinary speaking, where do we even begin? Fresh oregano is fantastic on pizzas, in tomato sauces, mixed into marinades for grilled chicken or vegetables, or sprinkled over roasted potatoes. Its earthy, peppery flavor is unmistakable. Our 4th July champion is the versatile and hardy thyme. Thyme is a tough little herb that absolutely loves the sun and tolerates heat, and even drought once established, making it a fantastic choice for July planting. It's a low-growing, spreading herb that comes in many varieties, each with its own subtle scent and flavor. It establishes well in summer conditions, and many varieties are perennial, returning year after year. Thyme needs full sun and excellent drainage. It hates soggy feet. It's also quite low maintenance once it gets going. For example, try planting creeping thyme varieties as a fragrant ground cover around stepping stones where you can release its scent as you walk by. In the kitchen, thyme is incredibly versatile. It's amazing with roasted chicken, lamb, or fish, in soups and stews, or even infused into olive oil. Its delicate, earthy flavor pairs beautifully with so many dishes. And finally, rounding out our top 5 for July, it's the timeless and aromatic rosemary. Rosemary, with its needle-like leaves and woody stems, is another Mediterranean herb that thrives in hot, sunny conditions. While it can be slower to establish from seed, starting with a small plant in July is ideal across much of the U.S. It loves warm soil and plenty of sun to really grow into a magnificent, fragrant bush. It's surprisingly drought-tolerant once mature, which is a big plus for summer. Rosemary absolutely demands full sun and perfectly draining soil. Overwatering is the quickest way to kill it. For example, choose a sunny, sheltered spot, perhaps near a south-facing wall, and make sure it has plenty of air circulation. And for cooking? Oh, the possibilities! Fresh rosemary sprigs are incredible with roasted potatoes, lamb, or pork. You can infuse it in olive oil, use it to flavor breads, or even toss a few sprigs onto the grill for an aromatic smoke. Its pungent, piney flavor is truly unique. So, there you have it. 5 fantastic herbs that are perfect for planting in July, proving that your summer gardening adventures are far from over. Getting these resilient, sun-loving herbs into the ground now means you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown flavors for months to come. I hope this video has inspired you to grab your sunscreen and get out there and get planting. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Herbal Keys for more practical gardening advice and herbal wisdom. And why not leave us a special emoji in the comments below to let us know you made it to the end? Remember, the best way to support our channel and become part of our growing community is to join the Herbal Keys as a channel member. We'd love to have you. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Stay hydrated and happy planting. I'll see you in the next video.